you're experiencing connection errors with your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing the connection on another device or running a speed test. If your internet is down, restart your modem and router. Step 2. Restart your Xbox Series X. Power cycle your console by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. Unplug the power cable from the back of the console, wait for a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 3. Update network settings. Go to the settings menu on your Xbox, select network, then network settings. Choose test network connection to see if there are any issues. If necessary, select advanced settings to manually configure your network. Step 4. Clear alternate MAC address. In the same network settings menu, navigate to advanced settings and select alternate MAC address. Choose clear and restart your console. This can help resolve issues related to network configurations. Step 5. Contact Xbox support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Xbox support for further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors on your Xbox Series X. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.